Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and it's that time of the year again when the new TVs are starting to show up, and the first one we got is the Samsung NU8000 model. So we're going to do a quick unboxing here for you and show you actually what comes in the box for this new line of Samsung TVs. So I'm going to step around the back here and we're going to open this box up for you so you can see what it comes with. So first things first, on the top it gives you some brief instructions. There's a little bit of tape on the back, so you want to cut through that, and that'll get you to, I think, a couple accessories is what it looks like. So we cut through that here. We'll see what's on the top first. So the first thing you notice, there's a quick setup guide. You can see here, and that's going to give you the instructions on how to really just plug it into the wall and assemble the pedestal. So make sure you hang on to those, and we'll do a quick overview on that stuff as well. But next we've got, I think we got a part of the pedestal here, so let's take a look at that. Yeah, we've got a little piece that's going to mount to the back of the TV here. You can see the little screw holes. And we'll move on from there. We've got a little user manual packet, you can see that. And some tape keeping that together. And then we've got like an accessory pouch. You've got your remote control here. We've got some spacers, and then the power cord, some batteries, your manual, and some, I think, some warranty information. What is that? No, that's information on how to use the TV remote. So we'll open those up in a little bit too. And I think that does it for the top. If you're at home, you're probably not going to want to unbox it on top of a table like this. I'm a little bit taller, so it's okay, but I would suggest putting this on the floor if you're going to do that. So moving on from there, let's take the box off and see what we've got. Make sure there's nothing in the styrofoam. So along the back we have the foot for the pedestal. Take that off so you can see it quickly here. It's got this really nice finish to it, just this kind of brushed metal look to it. So it's a nice, it's fairly compact. This is a 55-inch set, so the pedestal has to be a little bit wider just to accommodate the size of the TV, but nothing outrageous. And then looking around, I don't see anything else. So we'll take the foam off here. Oh, actually, no, there is something on the front. What have we got? More styrofoam. So let's move the styrofoam out of the way so you can see. All right. So here's the TV. It's got kind of a nice pattern on the back. We'll step back around the front here and take a look at the front. Very, very minimal bezel around this thing. Just some protection here on the sides to protect the screen as you're lifting it. And let's see here, do not remove until TV setup is complete. So it does mention to keep these on while you're setting up the TV on its pedestal. As we look on the back here, we've got two USBs, we've got 4 HDMIs, there is one with an audio return channel. We've got an Ethernet connection, an antenna in, and then there's an RS-232C mini input as well, and then your spot to plug in your power. So we're going to cut away for a minute here. We're going to put the pedestal on and show you guys what this thing looks like. Going to get it fired up so we can give kind of initial impressions on it, so stay right with us. All right, so we've got the TV up on the pedestal. Everything looks great. Initial impressions, because we've only really had it on for about 5 minutes. Initial impressions are it is flying through the menus, so the processor is really quick on this one. Color quality is phenomenal. Motion is really great on this one too. I'm going to spend the next couple of days actually getting to know the TV a little bit better, really kind of giving it a good once over, and then make sure you guys stay tuned because we're going to do a product overview on this as well. And don't forget to subscribe so you get updates whenever we post new content. As always, we appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned.